Here's where the rubber meets the road. We're going to take our little 5-note box that we've been playing with and all the little combinations that you came up with in the last lesson, and we're going to play them as little phrases over some background music. In other words, we're going to be improvising. Now, I don't want you to worry or focus on or even think about making mistakes, okay? This is all about exploring. We're just exploring the different sounds that you can come up with. Even if you can hear music in your head and try to play it in this little 5-note box, that's what we're looking for, okay? We're just here to have fun. Now let me give you a little example so we know kind of where to go, but I don't want to tell you what to play, okay? I don't want you to try to copy what I'm about to do. I want you to come up with your own phrases as soon as you start playing with the music. Now, we know when there's music playing, there's going to be a beat, right? It might be something like this. And if I'm hearing a beat, well, maybe I can come up with phrases like this. See, I just want to give you an example of some little phrases that when you get into the groove, you might be able to play. And if you notice, I made a mistake there, but who cares? We're not here worrying about mistakes. We're trying to get better on guitar, okay? Now, I want you to hit the track, hit the play button, let the music play, and just come up with whatever comes to mind. Have fun.